What's up, YouTube? It's cralisa Victoria. I am back with another video. So in this video, I am starting off with some fresh steam from my facial steamer. This really opens up my pores, really allows for me to go ahead and start doing that amazing face wash skincare routine that I like to do on a daily. It is Thursday night, so I'm not going in as heavily on my face wash. I'm just showing you guys right here that my camera is like pretty much like dying and filling up of storage. So that's all I was just showing you right then and there. So I'm filming off of my phone, which I'm trying to get out of that habit. But anyway, I'm just going to go in with some vitamin C face wash. I like to start off with some cold water, just kind of pressing it onto my face. Yes, the armpits need to be shaved, my sisters, but do not judge me, please. Self-care routine literally gets done every week. So those babies will be taken care of, but tonight is about the face wash. So I'm just going to add some of this vitamin C face wash from Soap and Glory that you can get from Ulta. I am not sponsored in this video, but I'm just telling you guys what I use to accomplish my face wash routine, which I will link everything in the description box below. But I'm going in after I've done so with I put some face wash onto these bristles on my face wash brush. I wet the brush and then I'm actually going in for exfoliating, and then also just to get that extra dirt that's in my skin. And I try to make sure that my face is wet because it will allow for the sud buildup to happen, which to me is basically meaning that I'm getting all the dirt out of my face. I know sometimes it's easier to use your hands to wash your face, but I promise you guys, if you start with freshly washed hands, using a face wash brush is a game changer. I've been doing it for years, but it literally is a game changer in your face wash routine. So is the facial steaming. Sometimes I accomplish steaming by just taking a hot shower, allowing my pores to open, but I will link below the steamer that I have. And if you guys are interested, again, I'm not sponsored, just showing you guys what I use. So then moving on, I'm pretty much going to get this all off of my face, rinse it with cool water, get all that pretty much off of your girl's face so that we can get this face, this platform, this canvas back, wet and ready for the next phase. So I'm going to go in with some rose and witch hazel spray, which this is just rose and witch hazel water, but you guys know that witch hazel and rose have a lot, of good things that basically rose water, they have good benefit. So if you are trying to eliminate breakout and stuff like that, witch hazel is always that thing, and so is rose, so the combination is pretty lethal. So I just mist my face with that. I continue to air dry my face. Sometimes I'll grab something to air dry. I think I had gotten bit by like a mosquito or something just then. That's why I kept on itching. But I like to go ahead and dry my face with my hands. And it doesn't have to be 100% dry, but I'm going to go in with my jasmine oil. You can use whatever serum oil of choice that you want to use, but tonight I'm using the jasmine oil, which seals in, locks in my moisture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Go ahead, run the follows up, run the subscriptions up, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.
It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2 something?